Using just 2 ingredients, let us make the most delicious and fuss-free dessert today. Start by using your favorite chocolate bar. I am using this Whittaker's 50% dark chocolate. Let me put a disclaimer here, this is not a sponsored post, I just happen to love this chocolate. And the best part is you can use any kind of chocolate for this recipe, be it dark, milk or white. Just remember to use chocolate melts and not chocolate chips. If you are using a chocolate bar, just chop it down so that it melts easily. Then melt the chocolate using a double boiler, microwave or instant pot method. Separate videos on how to melt the chocolate the right way has been shared previously on the channel, so I will leave relevant links for you guys in the description box below. I went with the microwave method today, so it took me 1.5 minutes to melt the chocolate in my microwave. Once melted, add the condensed milk to it and mix it well. And that's about it with the recipe. Just look how thick and fudgy it looks. All we now have to do is transfer it to a pan. Just remember to line it with parchment paper for easy unmolding. Here I would like to clarify that please do this step before starting with the recipe, as I felt the mixture started developing skin while I was preparing the pan. So I had to whisk it well before transferring back. To avoid that, it is better that you do it as a pre-preparatory step right before you start with the recipe. I am using a 5x5 inch pan to get nice thick squares, but this recipe would work in a 6x6, 7x7 or even 8x8 inch pan. By the way, this is the stage, that is before transferring it to the pan to set, is when you add any add-ons like nuts, seeds or spices to flavor the fudge. Find all the variations listed on the blog at spicesandflavors.com to create your very own unique fudge recipe by clicking the link in the description box below. Allow it to set in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, say around 2 to 3 hours. Then simply slice into squares using a hot knife and enjoy. This chocolate condensed milk fudge is a treat for all the senses. A creamy texture, candy-like, that is firm to hold but melts in your mouth when you bite into it owing to its smooth texture. And its rich flavor makes each bite more delicious than the last. Play around with the quantity of chocolate for a different texture altogether. Say for example, use 1/4 cup less chocolate for a soft, gooey fudge and 1/4 cup more chocolate for a firmer bite-like fudge. Using this as the base, I am going to share how to make thandai fudge in our next episode for Holi. If that sounds interesting to you, do consider subscribing and remember to hit the bell notification so that you do not miss any updates. That's it for this one. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.